In this world of technology, things are ever changing, rearranging. You need someone to help you out. I know someone who can. Come and take a journey with me as we go through the land of technology. You'll never be alone. You'll be with Paul Amadeus Lane in the Tech Zone.
Welcome back to the Tech Zone, final segment of the show. I am Paul Amadeus Lane. So happy that you took a journey with me through this land of technology. Not a singer, but I did stay at Holiday Inn Express last night. Thank you guys so much for joining me. It's been my pleasure to do some recap of the latest tech news, also some of the great innovation we witnessed at CES 2019. There was one piece of innovation that really stood out in my mind, and I'll tell you why. Social isolation. Have you ever felt victim to social isolation? Maybe your parents or grandparents, when children leave the home, let's say when ones are at managed care facilities, it's kind of hard for them to stay connected to their family members because, family members try to visit as much as they can. But we know, as one of my buddies say, life happens sometimes and we don't have the time to spend with them like we want to. But what if grandma, mom or dad, auntie, uncle would a Killmonger say, hey auntie, what if they're able to see some of our highlights of our vacations, of weddings if they're not able to travel? I remember when I was in the hospital over 26 years ago when I became a quadriplegic. I was in the hospital for 8 months. And in the hospital, I missed one wedding of a good friend of mine. I was supposed to be in the wedding. What they did was they brought a video of the wedding and they gave me like a little shout out of me not being in the wedding, and that really made me feel good. But the way technology is now, you can do that in real time. Now imagine how someone would feel getting like an alert that, hey, you got a picture here. Check it out. Someone says, hey, we wish you was here. We miss you. Imagine the joy that would bring to somebody's mind who has been separated from their family because of illness. I tell you, it really warms my heart to see that we've reached a time in technology where this can be made possible. My next guest had an opportunity to meet this company at Eureka Park, CES 2019, and I wanted to invite them on to share their story, to share this great piece of innovation, and why they created it in the first place. And I'm so happy to have with me right now the CEO of Sunday, Nelly Meunier.
Hi.
How are you, my dear?
Fine, and you?
I am doing fantastic, and I had an opportunity to meet your team over at CES 2019. You guys are over at Eureka Park, and it really intrigued me of what you guys are doing when it comes to social isolation. Many of us have grandparents, we have relatives who may live in retirement homes, they may live home alone. They're not able to get out like us and share the experience when it comes to social media or pictures. What made you want to create Sunday?
Sunday, it's a family story. It started 4 years ago because my sister lived in China, my brother was in London, and I was in New York. And my grandmother, she was in a nursing home, so it was very complicated to communicate with her. So we developed the first solution, Sunday, and she can receive all the pictures on her TV. It became her favorite TV channel. So it all started with our family story.
That is so cool. And it's one thing I noticed about when I was at CES 2019 and going over to Eureka Park and checking out some of the startups. Almost every startup there had a personal connection, had a personal story. And talk about just your journey when it comes to technology. Were you into technology before you decided to create Sunday, or you became into technology because you wanted to create Sunday?
We were on the tech before because we had our startup. The first project we did, we created a solution for baby in nursing home. For their parents to receive video of them. So we were already in the healthcare market for another project. And then we have this family story. And with my partners, who are more tech than I am, we decided to create Sunday for my grandmother. So yeah, I would say that personal story brings you to create things, because you want to make this world a better place, and you want to find ways, when you know how to use technology and you know that you can improve people's life, you go for it.
That is so true. That is so true. And that's one thing I love about CES, because, forget me if I'm wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, were you guys part of the French delegation that came from France to be a part of CES?
Yeah, we do. We are French, and we came with the French, all those people from France who came to present their solution. It was incredible, because you feel that there are a lot of things coming up to improve the people's life, to make things easier, to go faster. And it's very, it was a pleasure to be part of it, because we feel that Sunday brings something to people's life. And that's what we want. We want to improve people's life. We want to make grandparents part of our generation, because we are a generation. We have a lot of things to do. We are over connected. We are overbooked. We don't have time. We don't have time anymore. And that's what we want with Sunday, is to take the time to bring back your roots. And the roots, it's family, it's friends, it's connection with people you love. And this is what we want to do, is to take your time and to learn how to reconnect with the basic things.
I love it. I love it. And what was the, I guess, response that your grandmother gave you when she was able to see all the things that you were doing and sharing these great experiences with you? How did your grandmother feel about it?
She was very proud, because when she received the pictures of us from everywhere in the world, and she didn't have to do anything because she wasn't tech savvy, she was so proud and so happy, because when you are stuck in a nursing home all the day in your bed waiting to have some news, it's I don't know if people imagine what it is. It's very hard, because we work with nursing home, we go on hospital, we see all those people. They spend all the day waiting to get some news, because when you are on a bed all day, the time is so long. So if we can bring something like a little things to those people, just to receive picture from their grandchildren, and that's it. That's all they need. They need something to make the time different.
Now, you bring up a very good point, Nelly, because I remember when I first had my accident. I'm confined to a wheelchair. I've been to for over 26 years this month. Wow, time passed. And I remember I spent 8 months in the hospital back in 1993. And I can only imagine if I had this type of technology back then, where I can keep in contact with some of my family members who I wasn't able to see, being in the hospital. So I definitely get it. I definitely understand, how it feels with that social isolation. And the way technology is today, this really helps us to bridge that gap. And, what has been some of the feedback from others besides your family members? Because we know your family members and your team love it. What has been the feedback from others, from hospitals, from nursing homes?
So for the professionals, it's convenient for them, because it's a new way to communicate inside the hospital or inside the long-term establishment, because they can share also the life inside the establishment. For example, when there is a birthday party, when there is activities inside, they can share it to residents. And it's to recreate also a communication between the family, the residents, and the healthcare team. So it's very important to understand that people in nursing homes, they are in a different life zone, and hospital too. You are in a new life zone, so you have to recreate interaction between people. We don't want for them to be isolated in the establishment. We want to bring the information out and to share because we are used to receive pictures and video via Instagram, Facebook. When everyone is okay, you see on Instagram. But when you are not okay, you are not in Instagram. So the way it is with Sunday is to bring sun to people's life when you are not in a good mood, for example, or in a good shape, or when you are sick. You need to have other solutions to interact with your loved ones.
Yes, I love it. I love it. And I like the way you said it too. There's certain things you don't want to share on Instagram, kind of like when I'm out at the club cutting up, I don't want grandma or my mom and dad to know what I'm doing.
No.
So how can you keep me out of trouble?
You have to be like when you exchange with Sunday is different. I mean, when you are on Instagram, you will be like in the best spots and you will share the best face of you and everything. It's the life in Instagram is different. On Sunday, you are like, okay, I will share a picture to someone I love, and it will be on the big screen. It will be on our TV. So I need to be like confident about the picture I will take. And I mean, when we take pictures to Sunday and video, you know that it will be shared to your family and loved ones, so they don't judge. I mean, Instagram, it's more like you will get a like and like and like. Here, it's not what we want. It's more about the quality of what you will exchange. Like on WhatsApp, for example, you will send 2,000 pictures and you don't really care about the pictures you take. Here, you know that it will be on the big screen. So it's an effort. You make an effort to send the best pictures that will your family will enjoy on the TV. So it's different. It's a different experience.
So it keeps you out of trouble, right?
Yeah.
And what I like about this too, Sunday, is this is probably good for like parents with children too. Like let's say that your kids are out and parents are like, okay, I want you to send me a picture every hour so I know where you're at, know what you're doing, because I'm concerned about you. You know, just the different features that this can, different solutions out there are endless. Yeah,
because we developed the Sunday remote here, and every time a picture is sent to the Sunday box, the heart here will light up. So the parents, when they see the heart lighting up, they are like, oh my God, I have a new picture and I have to get away right to see it, because you know, it's like you want to see what's happened, what's going on, and people are very enjoying Sunday for this because it's very interactive and you can follow, like if you are parents and your son and daughter are traveling all around the world, or you live far away from your grandparents, or your parents are traveling. So it's not just for grandparents, it's for everyone who wants to share with loved ones, with your friends, with your family. And yeah, it's convenient to share your best moments with your.
I love it. I love it. Now, is this available now in the United States, or is it just over in the UK and France that ones can purchase this?
Worldwide. We are worldwide today, so Sunday.love. You go online and you can get it for $149. So it's one shot, you buy it and you have it for life. And you can spread love and happiness with your loved ones as easy as it is. So yeah, it's we already have people from the US who bought it in Silicon Valley, in Miami, New York. So we are very proud to see that people understand where we want to go with Sunday, and they enjoy the solution. And we are very proud that we went to the CES and we are part of, even if we don't want to bring technology in the grandparents' life, we did something so easy that they can use it and they can be back on the family life.
That's what I love. I love it's easy and ones can figure it out. And Sunday, how does it work? You know, how does a person do they have to have an Instagram account, or is it separate from Instagram? How does the process work? Can you share that with us?
I will take my case. So I have the mobile application on my phone, so you can download for free Sunday, the Sunday app on the stores on iOS or Android, and I can create my community. So I can invite people, and they can send pictures and videos to the people I want. So for example, my granddad is in France right now. I'm in Miami. So in his TV, we plug the Sunday box here. So it's plugged on his TV. And every time I send the pictures from the Sunday app, the heart of his Sunday remote is lighting up. So he knows that I sent him a picture. So that's it. I mean, you have an app, you send pictures, you send video, you can invite as many members as you want, and then it goes straight on your loved one TV, and they can just check it out on their TV and like. And when my granddad is pushing the heart button on my mobile app, I know that he loves it because I have a heart on my mobile application.
So awesome. So Nelly, what happens when he doesn't like it?
He can't.
So he got to make sure he like it or nothing at all, right?
At Sunday, it's just all about love. So we can't unlike on Sunday.
I love it. So before I let you go, what are you a bigger fan of, Nelly Furtado or Nelly the rapper?
Nelly the rapper,
okay,
for sure, because Nelly, I love you.
I love it. Hey, and Nelly, thank you so much for joining me. And why don't you give that information again out there so ones can get their grandparents connected and make sure they're not falling victim to social isolation.
Yeah, definitely. We fight for this. And thank you. And we definitely encourage you to visit our website at www.someday.love and to start spreading love and happiness around you and your family and loved ones, and take care of them, because it's the most important things in life. It's family. Awesome.
So it's been my pleasure to introduce Sunday to our audience and welcome everyone to Nellyville. So Nelly, thank you so much for joining me, and we look forward to catching up with you soon, okay? And continue spreading this great message and this great love.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your kindness, and let's see you on Sunday.
Awesome. Let's do it. Cool. A huge shout out to Nelly. Welcome to Nellyville. Enjoyed talking to her about Sunday. And I'm sorry, I was derelict in my journalistic duties. I forgot to ask her, why did you name it Sunday in the first place? I know. So Nelly, if you're watching, I know you are listening, tweet me, get at me. Let me know why Sunday, you know. But thank you so much, Nelly, for joining me and the great things that you guys are doing over at Sunday with this product and keeping our loved ones abreast of everything that we're doing. All right. Well, it's time for us to make like a tree and get out of here. Until next time, I'm on my way to NAMM this weekend. So make sure you follow me on social media. We'll be sharing some things at NAMM 2019. Get a chance to check out some cool technology when it comes to music, musicians. So I'm going to share some of my visits from there too. So without any further delay, I'll talk to you later. Until next time, I love you, folks.
In this world of technology, things are ever changing, rearranging. You need someone to help you out. I know someone who can. Come and take a journey with me as we go through the land of technology. You'll never be alone. You'll be with Paul Amadeus Lane in the tech zone.